Ever wondered how to turn your business dreams into a reality? Curious about the secret to crafting the perfect business plan? In this video, we'll answer these questions and guide you step by step. Get ready for a journey to business success. Step 1. Executive Summary. The executive summary is a concise overview of your entire business plan. Include your business name, location, mission statement, and a brief description of your business. Highlight the key points of your plan, such as your target market, unique selling proposition, and financial projections. This section should grab the reader's attention and provide a snapshot of your business. Step 2. Business Description. Provide an in-depth description of your business, its history, and its legal structure. Explain your business's purpose, its products or services, and the problem it solves for customers. Mention your location, whether it's a physical storefront, an online business, or a combination. Step 3. Market Research and Analysis. Conduct thorough market research to understand your industry, market trends, and competitive landscape. Define your target market by demographics, psychographics, and location. Analyze your competitors, their strengths, weaknesses, and market share. Identify market gaps and opportunities for your business. Step 4. Products or Services. Describe your products or services in detail, highlighting their features, benefits, and pricing. Explain how your offerings fulfill customer needs and solve their problems. Discuss any intellectual property, patents, trademarks, or proprietary technology. Step 5. Marketing and Sales Strategy. Outline your marketing and sales plans, including advertising, promotion, and branding strategies. Detail your pricing strategy and how it aligns with your target market. Explain your distribution channels and sales processes. Define your customer acquisition and retention strategies. Step 6. Organization and Management. Introduce your core team members, their roles, and their qualifications. Describe your organizational structure, including ownership and management. Highlight any advisors, mentors, or board members who support your business. Step 7. Funding Requirements. Specify your financial needs, including startup costs, operating expenses, and capital requirements. Explain how you plan to use the funds and provide a timeline for financial milestones. Include a detailed budget that covers all aspects of your business. Discuss your funding sources, whether through loans, investments, or personal savings. Step 8. Financial Projections. Present realistic financial projections, including income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Create financial forecasts for at least the first 3 to 5 years of your business. Include various scenarios, such as best case, worst case, and expected case, to account for uncertainties. Show a clear path to profitability. Step 9. Risk Assessment. Identify potential risks and challenges your business may face. Discuss your strategies for mitigating these risks and adapting to unforeseen circumstances. Address regulatory, industry-specific, or market-related risks. Step 10. Appendix. Include supporting documents, such as resumes, market research data, legal agreements, patents, and contract. Any additional information that validates and supports the content presented in earlier sections should be included here. Step 11. Review and Refine. Thoroughly proofread, edit, and format your business plan to ensure clarity and coherence. Seek feedback from mentors, advisors, or peers to improve the plan's quality. Continuously review and update your business plan as your business evolves. After finalizing the plan, revisit the executive summary to ensure it accurately represents the entire document. A comprehensive business plan serves as a roadmap for your business's success. It not only guides your operations but also helps secure funding, attract partners, and make informed decisions. If this video was helpful for you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching.